Install update patch. Hi everybody and welcome back in our next episode. In this episode we will guide you step by step through the process of installing a NetYCE update patch. Before we can install the patch, we first need to download the patch. You can do this by going to our Wikipedia page, log in with your credentials on the right top, and then after you successfully logged in, you scroll down a bit to the bottom, and here on the left you will see a topic that says downloads, and then the first one, download patch files. You go to download patch files. In here you will see on a regular basis our updates or patches. What you can do is you can click on the latest build. And this one, it's the 3rd of December. You can click on it and it will download the patch. After you downloaded the patch file, updating NetYCE is really simple. You log in the web GUI and you go on the left to the admin section. Inside the admin section you click on system and then you click on the checkbox that says full report followed by the name of your server. You can click on it. When the text appears, you scroll down and somewhere in the middle or the bottom of the page you will see upload and install ICE version update. You click on the button choose file followed by the patch file and then you click on the other button that says install ICE distribution. What happens now is that the patch file is being uploaded toward the server. On the server it's being extracted and the patch is automatically being installed. It depends on the update, but after more or less a minute the output will appear here of what happened on the server. If something would go wrong, we would see it immediately in here. This is like our debugging. When we scroll down, you see here that the update is completed with 0 errors. If something would happen and you would not have 0 errors here or that something else happened, make a copy of this debugging output and send it to us in a ticket so we can help you investigate what actually went wrong. As a last step, we recommend you to log out the web GUI and then log in again with your credentials. We advise this because this makes sure that all your cache is cleared and that you really have the latest update. You can actually also see this if you go to design on the left. This view will pop up and in this view you see the latest version with your patch version. If this refers to the version you downloaded, then everything went well and the patching was successful. That was it for now. If you have any questions about update or patching a NetYCE appliance after watching this video, I can recommend you to go to our forum and leave a question.